Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about how to enhance our user list component with the delete functionality. First, we will add a delete button. To the delete button, we are going to associate a handle delete user event handler. Within that event handler, we are going to capture the user ID to whom we want to delete. Then we'll call the Axios API to send the delete request. We will update the state for the removed user. We ensure that we are going to run that backend API which runs all these get, post, put, delete APIs which we have discussed in our previous videos. Then we are going to apply some styling to our delete button. As delete is a destructive action, in the sense if you delete a user, as we cannot undo that action, we are going to style that button in a red background with the white color. Here we are in the user list component. First we are going to add a delete code. So I'm going to add a button. So on click of the button, so we are going to handle the delete user functionality. So we'll have handle delete user and we'll have the user.id captured here. And we'll call it as delete. Then let's define this handle delete user functionality. So here, yeah, we are going to hand constant handle delete. So here we are going to get the ID as an input. So what exactly we are going to do? Here we are going to call the delete API with Axios, axios.delete. So we are going to call our backend API at backend API. So here is our URL. It will be running on HTTP localhost 5 API users. So here we are running the server. This is available in the GitHub link. So you need to ensure that your server is also running if you want to execute these examples. So once the delete is successful, we need to update our state also to include the right response. So here in the response, I'm going to update the set users. So here I'm going to update my set users. What I'm going to do, I'm going to filter the users with the user who has been deleted. So now your latest user state array is going to have all the users except the user that has been deleted. So here I'm going to apply the filter. And then so we need to handle the error also. So when if there is an error, we should always include the error condition. So for now we'll just log the error. So here we are going to log the error. Then we are going to close. So yeah, now we'll try to run this application. So yeah, the application is already running. Let's go back to our browser. So here is our browser where we have the delete functionality has been added. Now let's go and apply the styles for this delete button. We can go to the delete button code. Yeah, so here we can apply a style. So in this style, we are going to apply a background color of red and color of white. Now let's go back to your UI. So we're able to see the delete code. So here is our browser with the delete with the styles applied. Let's go and add a breakpoints in our delete code. So here I am in userlist.api in the browser debugger. So I'm going to keep the breakpoints here and whenever you click on the delete, it will go and hit the breakpoints. We are now deleting the second item, so we can clear the network tab and go to sources, complete the debugging. So you got your user has been successfully deleted, and we are updating our state accordingly. And if you see our network tab, we would have seen there has been a request to made to delete, and we got the successful response here. So overall, the user has been deleted. Let me quickly show a summary of enhancements we have done. We added the delete capability, allowing the user to remove the entries from the list, and we have improved the user experience also to highlight delete is a danger button, so that he has to be cautioned when he is applying. So whenever the user clicks on a delete, we have a backend where we are capturing the user ID that has been delete, he wants to delete, and we are calling the respective backend, and we applied the corresponding styles also. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please subscribe.